UA. Being a student doesn't have to mean late nights and stress. With AI, you can automate notes, study plans, and even emails. Here's how. Student with laptop, overwhelmed, transforms into calm, organized setup. 1. Note, taking with AI. Use Notion AI or Scribr to take smarter notes. Paste your lecture text or upload PDFs and let the AI summarize key points and generate flashcards instantly. Dragging lecture notes into Notion, AI summary appears. 2. Study planning. Try My Study Life or Motion to automatically build your weekly study schedule. Add your exams and classes. It'll create a balanced routine and remind you when to review. Auto-generated study calendar with checkboxes. 3. Essay writing help. Use ChatGPT for essay outlines, Grammarly for grammar fixes, and Quillbot to paraphrase or improve clarity. Just don't use it as your smart writing assistant. Drafting in Google Docs. Switching tabs to AI tools, improvements appear. 4. Email. Time automation. Use Superhuman AI or Flowrite to respond to emails with one click. Connect with Google Calendar AI to get daily study agendas delivered to your inbox. Auto email reply. Inbox clears. AI daily planner opens. You don't need to work harder, just smarter. Start using AI tools today and watch your productivity skyrocket. Student aces exam, relaxes with a coffee.